Hello everyone, Benda here. In this video we're looking at the Mottura C55 dimple lock. It's a lock with two locking systems. The first is 6 pins, where the last 6 pin is an interactive element that interacts with disk located on the key. The second system is the sidebar that interacts with 3 rotors that rotate around their own axis. The rotors have false gates and 2 taps each that move in this track cut on the key. False gates in rotors are quite effective, and to get them around them you need to slightly reduce the tension and allow the gentle counter rotation of the core. The taps on the rotor can be a bit confusing, as there are 2 taps on each rotor for a total of 6 taps with a small distance between them, and it can happen that you mistakenly position one rotor once in one direction and once in the other. For me personally, the most difficult task in this lock is to set pin number 3. It is here. Here you have first, second and pin number 3, which is maximally lifted, and it is relatively easy to do overset on it. Okay, for picking this lock I will use this straight flag and this kind of zebra tensioner. So let's see the guts. Okay, so here we have the guts from the Mottura C55. 6 pins in the main stacks, where 3 are standards with slight taper at the end, and 3 of them are spools. Pin number 6 is interactive one, which is a standard driver, and this is the key pin. And here we have the rotors. Let's take a look at the rotors. Three rotors with 2 taps on each, and here you can see through gate, and here is the false gate, which is quite sharp and as a result effective. Okay, here we have the core, 3 chambers for rotors. I will try to put one so you will see how it works. Now we have false gate aligned, and the sidebar with these tabs can hide sidebar groove. Here we have the place for the key check pin. This is the passive pin as well, and it hides in this cut on the key. Here we have 6 chambers for the passive pins, which are also key check pins. So that will be all. In the housing we have sidebar groove and two more sidebar groove, which they are protect the core from 360 degrees turning. So if you want to turn the lock, you have to pick sidebar again. Alright, that will be all with the internals, so let's pick this lock. Okay, this is the Mottura C55. Lock is working, so let's pick. Clockwise tension, pin number 5. Number 1. Number 2, again number 1. Number 4. Okay, the interactive element and this spool on the tree. Right, let's check. Okay, I think the main pins are set, so now rotors. I'm not sure about which rotor is not set, because navigate between them is really okay. Sorry for that long time, but one tap from the rotor just hide. So okay, so let's get this lock. All right. We'll use a shim because Mottura locks has a lots of holes, and gutting can be really not fun. Okay. Okay, so here we have the sidebar. And the key pins. This will be number 4. Here is interactive. Number 5. Number 1. And number 2. Okay. Here we have sorry, not interactive, but key check pin and the rotors. Second, first, and the third. Passive pins. Okay. All right. Housing. Core with a lot of holes, so really you can really easy break this lock, so watch out during gutting each Mottura. So that will be all, I think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.